All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Hey, today Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make this Christmas Eve treat. It's one of our 7 fishes that our grandmother used to cook for us.
Yep.
It's just a blue claw crab. Say that 10 times fast. With a nice marinara sauce served over linguini. Anyway, let's get cooking. All right. Got our crabs here.
Look at this, man.
Chef Dom is gonna clean them up.
They're alive.
They don't pinch them.
I got bit twice already, little bastards. You want to take the lungs off?
Yeah, well.
My mama used to keep the shell after we go scrape them off at the seawall in Galveston. And then she'd come over here, pull them apart, keep the shells.
Yeah.
Fill them up.
And bake them in the oven. They were delicious.
Yeah.
There we go. Perfect. All right. Ooh, they're feisty.
Make sure you take the lungs off.
Yeah, and also the mouth. You got to rip off the mouth. There you go.
I got bit 4 times already today.
Much rather be where you're standing right now.
Yeah, well, tough. Last one.
Oh, yeah, let's cook them up.
That claw's not getting away. Get in there.
All right, crab are ready. Let's make the sauce.
All right, guys, we're gonna get our sauce ready. The marinara sauce for our crab. We have fresh blue claw crab today. We're gonna do linguini and crabs. It's gonna be good.
This was a recipe that our grandmother used to cook for us for Christmas Eve, and we used to catch them fresh right out of their bay. Anyway, this we're gonna dedicate this to cousin Angela because she requested this video
Angelina!
a long time ago, but we could never find the crab.
They were really nice,
Nice looking,
beautiful crab, all live.
Yeah,
I got 4 bites to prove it.
I know.
Little bastards. All right, we're gonna blend up our tomatoes.
Yeah. These are whole plum tomatoes, and we like to puree them for the sauce.
I'm gonna leave them just a little chunky.
That sounds good.
A little bit. Nice cento tomatoes.
You can use any imported tomato, though. All right, crabs are ready to go.
All
Now
right,
we're going to start up our
crab sauce. We got some fresh crab here. Salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, of course, basil, parsley, garlic.
some olive oil. How many cloves are we going to use about?
Oh,
Those are some big cloves there.
don't you like garlic?
Love it.
The garlic is burning my fingers where I got bit. Holy crap. Can never have too much garlic.
No.
That's for sure. I know a lot of people who say too much garlic, but you know what I say to that.
What do you say?
That they can kiss my ass. That's why.
All right.
We're gonna start frying up our garlic, and then we're gonna put our crab in there too. This one's still a little. His nerves are still kicking.
I'll have the link to the recipe that takes you directly to our Brooklyn Brothers Cooking website, and this way you can have the whole recipe on there. We also have Brooklyn Brothers merch that you can buy.
All types of stuff.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna throw our crab in there now. We're gonna shake these up a bit.
Oh yeah. Smelling good already.
I want a little salt in there. And pepper. We're going to put some pepper flakes in there too. If you want it hotter, you add a little more, like I always do.
Yeah.
My God, what a beautiful smell.
Oh yeah.
There you go, some basil in there. And Grandma used to put a lot of parsley in here too.
Yes,
so
she did.
that's what we're gonna do.
Looking good.
All right, man, we're just about ready for our tomatoes.
All right.
All right, we're gonna put our tomatoes in here now.
Really nice drop.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Oh, that's beautiful. All right, we're gonna let this cook. We got it on medium high
Yeah.
until it comes to a simmer, and then we're gonna lower it a little bit. All right, we're gonna cover this pot up and let it cook. All right, water's boiling.
All right, we're ready to throw the salt in there. We got 2 pounds, right?
Yeah. 2 pounds of linguine.
Linguinis.
Beautiful.
All right.
We cook these up al dente.
Check out the crab.
Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Man. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and turn this off.
And wait for our linguine to cook.
And we'll be ready to go.
And then we're gonna eat.
Yes, sir.
Ready to go. We ain't going anywhere. We're eating.
All right, we have our crab all ready. The chef down prepared. These look beautiful. Look at that.
Nice. Now, there's not much meat in these, but
The
in
flavor.
the claws maybe, but the flavor of the crabs and the sauce with the linguine. Oh,
They're phenomenal. Be careful. You need a bib when you're eating this stuff, that's for sure.
I have an apron on.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Gonna be good.
Now we'll just pour this right over the top. That's all right. Let's mix it up. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right,
I'm
let's
gonna
dig
put
in.
one of these crabs on my plate.
Oh, very nice. Oh, man.
Nice size claws.
Got our trusty nutcrackers
Next
here.
time we gotta do linguine on over scungili, man.
Oh, yeah.
Scungili
Oh,
on
yeah.
linguine.
That was really good, huh?
I went to this new fish market this morning, and these crabs were sold. They had all fresh seafood in there, all kinds of lobster and crab, and
I gotta check out that place. Man, this linguine smells just like grandma's.
a little more pepper for me.
Wow. Delicious. You try out this crab. You got a little fork here. Pull out that meat. Very, very good.
Awesome.
These are so good. Man. Anyway, we're gonna dig into this feast here. But if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We have over 200 or maybe 300 videos out there with a lot of Brooklyn Italian favorites out there. A lot of them are from our family, some from our restaurants.
Amazing.
But anyway, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll hit that notification button as well. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers, and We'll see you guys next recipe. Ciao.
Take care. Thank you.